Everyone knows Google Maps. However, geoinformatics is about much more than that. If you need spatial data too complex for the human eye to comprehend, it's a good idea to get in touch with the University of Salzburg's Department of Geoinformatics. They are pioneers in their field and have been extremely successful for the past 3 decades. Geoinformatics is an extremely versatile and highly topical field of science. After all, it deals with issues of our everyday lives, from smart solutions for urban congestion problems to the effects of extreme weather. The innovative methods of the University of Salzburg's Department of Geoinformatics are also highly sought after in the implementation of important social objectives on a local, regional and global level.
What I really appreciate about the Master of Geoinformatics in Salzburg is that you now can deal with the problems and questions raised in the bachelor's program in a practical way. So you can build your own applications, you can design your own web maps, and that's what I really like about the Master.
Join the webinar in June and learn how to become a GIS specialist with the University of Salzburg.